What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today on the 240, I don't know if you watched the last video, but I fixed the ignition problem, and today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to try to take off these white face gauges. So what you want to do is basically take off the steering column. It's a couple of screws, and then you drop this little knee pad thing, and yeah, once I get that off, I'll show you what's next. So I got everything out. So there's going to be two Phillips head screws that you want to take that off, and then you basically just pry the little cluster surrounding off, and then I will show you what bolts to get that holds the cluster in. Alright, so I got the gauge surrounding off. So basically there's going to be, you can't see it, there's a screw here, a screw up here, and another screw. So once that's all done, the gauge will come out. Alright, so now that we got the gauge out, we're going to unplug this three main harnesses from the back of this, and then we're going to take it out and we're going to see if I could take this plastic piece off without breaking it. Alright, so I got everything out, not broken. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take a like a fork and basically pry it underneath these needles, or maybe even like just lightly no. Alright, so we're going to get a fork and we're basically going to pry these up. So basically it has the factory ones. As you can see, you know, I had these Need for Speed wonderful gauges, but behind it, it has the OEM one. So let me get this all taken care of, and we'll show you how they look like OEM. Alright, so I got everything all together. It's all black again. I will clean this because it's pretty dusty, but I also got, for the back of it, some lights from Super Bright LEDs. So the ones I'm going to be replacing are this one, and this one. And I'm also going to do the clock. So let me put those in and I will show you what it looks like. And also, before you put everything back together, make sure they work, because on some of the LEDs, they actually, you have to flip it to make sure they work. So before you do all that, make sure it all works, and then you can button everything back together. Alright, got everything back together, and this is the color I went with. Honestly, you really can't tell on camera what color they are, but they're supposed to be purple. And I got a new light for the clock, and honestly, it might be a little ricey, but I just like how they look. And that's about it for this video. So hopefully you guys liked it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.